matamis ang success lalo na kapag kasama ang pamilya mo rito. Ang ating susunod na bisita tungkol pa rin sa success story ng isang family business.
Na part ng aking high school life.
Oo nga, Mamu.
Nabutan mo to? Yung,
Yes.
Although, alam mo na, 10 years apart. 10 years apart.
Pero nakabutan ko talaga to, Mamu.
Diba?
At ito yung aking lockdown naman. Yung parang new gen, lockdown companion cake.
Yes, I love that. So ito nga, nagsimula po sa isang thesis lamang ang kanilang negosyo hanggang sa nag-expand ang kanilang negosyo at mga product line. Ikukwento na natin sa atin yan ng in detail ni Miss Joy Logico, ang marketing manager ng Lemon Square Bakery Treats. Hi Joy! It's a joy to have you today.
Thank you, Mamu.
Grabe.
Thank you, Miss MJ. Thank you for having me and belated happy anniversary.
Uy, maraming salamat. Nag-Lemon Square din kami ng anniversary namin.
Nakarating yung
Correct.
anniversary.
Yes, at
Thank
super
you.
enjoy kami sa pinadala yung cake. Hindi lang dahil sa design niya,
Yes.
na completely edible pala yung mga mukha
Edible
namin.
siya and customized.
Yes, para
for
masarap
you.
pa, above
Thank
all.
you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for having
Pero
us.
way back year 2000, ang i-establish ang Lemon Square Bakery Treats, di ba?
Yes.
Grabe, year 2000?
Year 2000, kasagsaga ng pandemic, doon umusbong at na-revitalize ang Lemon Square Bakery Tea.
Pero way before that,
Yes.
nung 80s pa lang, part na ng baon ko yung Lemon Square.
Yun nga, exactly.
Tama
yung
ka
cheese
dyan,
roll.
Mamu.
Yes.
Yun.
Iba pa packaging noon, see-through pa, nakikita
See-through
mo pa
pa
yung
nun.
loob. Oh,
Yes.
see?
Sobrang yung kwento ko tungkol sa Lemon Square is lockdown companion ko siya kasi doon ako nanganak. At alam niyo naman ng mga inay, every month kino-commemorate ang monthsary ng mga anak nila.
Correct.
'Di ba? Tapos ito
Tama.
lang yung may mga lettering, yung mga cake na sobrang enticing. Tapos nung nalaman ko nga, Lemon Square, baon ko yun ha. Totoo? May bakery sila?
Yes.
For real? For real?
reals.
Oo.
For reals. Tama yan, MJ and Mamu. So, thank you for asking that wonderful question. O, di ba parang,
Miss Universe.
Yukon ang dating.
Oo.
So, it was founded by the husband and wife team of Boss Errol and Ma'am Nina Vergel de Dios. Pero ang origin story talaga nito, or origin story, parang Marvel lang,
Marvel.
di ba?
Oo.
Oo. Ang origin story nito ay sobrang galing kasi ni Ma'am Nina mag-bake. Mula pagkabata, nagbe-bake na siya. Kaya nung ang daming nagtatanong sa amin, bakit Lemon Square? Bilog naman yung mga cakes nyo.
Correct. Tsaka ba't lemon?
Oo, ba't lemon? Kasi ang masterpiece talaga sa baking ni Ma'am Nina is the Lemon Square. So sobrang sumikat siya sa school niya for baking that Lemon Square. Eto, para sa inyo
Guess
yan.
what?
Correct.
Ngayon ko natitikman ata yung Lemon Square. Dahil
Yes.
cheese muffin, yung mga
Ito, itong
ayan.
classic nila.
Yan yung baon ko.
Yes, yan. So sabi ng mga friends niya, why not ipangalan mo Lemon Square? And since fine arts graduate siya, so siya yung
Fine arts, ah?
Yes,
Yan,
kasi
no?
fine arts, very creative.
Correct.
So siya na rin ang gumawa ng logo. So baking na, and then pati the name and the brand logo nanggaling kay Ma'am Nina. So doon
Galing.
nanggaling. So ang nagsimula yung business dito sa Lemon Square. So lahat ng packaged cakes is named Lemon Square. So you have the Lemon Square cheesecake. So ito yung pinaka baby
Sarap.
nila. Yeah, the cupcake, ito yung pinaka bestseller nila. Tapos nagkaroon na ng I'm sure familiar kayo with Inipit, Watatops,
Ay,
Lava
oo!
cake. So yun mga
Yung
lemon
Lava cake,
Yes.
Ito naman.
Chuchu, yun, mga Lemon Square products din yun. So nagsimula
Kasi
siya
naging brand
Ang
name.
sarap ng
Yes.
Wata Tops.
Diba?
Natikman mo na yun?
Hindi pa.
Si
Kasi
Oscar
di pa ako
bawal na
loyal.
nga dun pero bumibili pa rin. Dalawa ko na.
Oo.
Kasi di ba, pang bata yun eh.
Yes,
Di ba? Pero
yes.
gustong-gusto niya yun, yung chocolate tsaka yung puti yung yung
Correct.
topping.
So,
Perfect
doon
for
nagsimula sa packaged cakes. And then, so si Ma'am Nina very enterprising siya, binibenta niya dahil ang daming nasasarapan. Nagpupunta siya sa mga palengke sa Malabon and Navotas para talaga ilako yung kanyang mga Lemon Square. So, doon na nagsimula.
Social, ang sarap ng lasa.
Yes. And then, one decade after, so 1985 yon nung na-conceptualize niya, di ba? And then, a decade after, 1995, the husband and wife team of Boss Errol and Ma'am Nina decided to invest in the country's first ever cupcake production line.
Na high-tech na,
Dahil
high-tech na.
lumalaki na yung, high-tech na, lumalaki na yung demand, while still making sure na andun pa rin yung homey and high quality product ng mga packaged cakes nila.
Sarap.
Yes.
Sila pala nauna, no?
Yes, oo. So, pagdating dun sa
So, commercial production na,
yes.
na high-tech.
It's silently part of our pantry and household because top of mind, alam mo naman yung Lemon Square, di ba? Parang
Yes.
mga candy na gusto natin, na kinalakihan natin, na
Yeah.
talagang, ano mo yun, which tugs our heart.
Yes.
Go, Mamu. 'Di ba? Pero talagang isang pasabog at nakikilala ng Gen Z ang Lemon Square ngayon in a new
Yeah.
light because of the cakes.
Yes. Nung year 2000, Ma'am Nina decided to revisit yung kanyang thesis. Kasi part ng thesis niya is really the concept of coming up with a retail bake shop. Yun. They just decided na i-prioritize muna yung packaged cake. Pero dumating yung time na nag-retail bake shop na sila nung year 2000. Pero nung year 2000, nagtayo sila siguro mga 3 outlets lang. Pero it was in year 2020 during the kasagsagan ng pandemic. Tama kayo, Miss MJ. That's when they decided to hand over and trust the Lemon Square Bakery treats to the second generation para i-revitalize yung concept of retail bake shop at palaguin na yung business.
Grabe.
Yun.
Basta ang pamilya tulong-tulong talaga, 'di ba? And properly guided.
Yes.
Mag-expand ang
Correct. So
business.
imagine nyo, year 2020, 3 lang ang outlets. Now, 111 na kami.
Ibang
Fast
level.
forward to 4 years, 111 na
Franchise
kami.
yan? Or lahat own?
Company-owned siya
Ibang
for now.
level.
Yes.
Company-owned, 100
company-owned. Ang
100
bilis ng expansion, diba?
Sobrang beso nahilo ka.
Ilang mga, but dahil nga family business siya, lahat sila tulong-tulong para mapalago yung business.
Ilan ang mga anak nila na nagtulong?
3 sila, si Sir Ernest, so he's our president, and ang focus niya, nakakatuwa kasi lahat sila, may kanya-kanya silang
Niche.
niche. So si Sir Ernest, ang niche niya would be purchasing and supply chain, and then the head naman of our innovation is our Chief Operating Officer, si Ma'am Erica. So she's the daughter. And innovations and new product development, yun yung expertise niya. And our Chief Strategy Officer and our Chief Executive Officer is yung bunso, si Sir Enrique Jose or Sir EJ. So,
Siya pa yung nag-CEO.
yes.
Oo.
oo.
Baka siguro sabi ng mga kapatid, ikaw yung taga-salo na lahat ng, ng issue. Ikaw yung mag-CEO. Tututuwa ko na lang itong supply chain. Diba? Ganun yun eh, diba? Oo, siya yung taga-meeting, kailangan
Yes.
pakinggan lahat.
Oo.
Ay, si Sir Adel.
Si Sir Adel is our general manager. So, yon. Si Sir EJ would have loved to be with you today, but flu season.
Oo
So,
nga eh.
hi
Get
Sir
well
EJ,
soon.
pagaling kayo.
Hi po,
Get well
get well
soon.
soon.
Get well soon. Thank you ang sarap.
Okay, I've had my sweet
At
fix
sakto
this
may
morning.
coffee tayo.
Yay.
Sakto, may DeLonghi coffee.
Thank you, DeLonghi Coffee. Perfect match ang ating cheesecake. Yes.
Sobrang sarap. Pero wait lang. Kasi ako memorize ko yung products ng Lemon Square Bakery Treats.
Correct.
Siyempre, dahil nga part ito ng pamilya, Lemon Square lang tawag ko. Pero bakery
Nakakatuwa.
treats pala.
Lemon Square Bakery Treats.
Ito yung mga cake.
Iba siya
Yes,
sa Lemon
so that's
Square.
the retail bake shop
Yeah.
arm of the company. So
Correct.
Lemon Square Bakery
So,
Treats.
parang
Fresh
never ko pa ito
cakes.
nakita.
Yan,
Joy.
ayun. Thank you for
Design na
asking.
natin.
Ito, fresh na fresh. Ilo-launch pa lang siya sa August 15
Oo.
to commemorate the 40th anniversary kasi nga 1985 na found ang Lemon Square, di ba? So we have our anniversary cake. We call it the Ruby Velvet Cake. Kasi di ba Ruby 40
Yes,
years?
correct.
So,
Tama, I was gonna say that.
Ruby is the new red. Ruby Velvet Cake.
Oh, wow.
Yes,
Can we try?
Yes, of
Oo.
course. You'll be among the first na makakatry niyan kasi it
Ito
will
na
be
nga
out
eh.
in the market.
Eh,
sa August
judge na
15
namin
pa
lahat,
lang.
Joy.
Yes.
Wala yung ating cake slicer.
Oo, ang ating
Oo,
cake
Rika,
slicer.
Ito
alam mo
hindi pa
ba,
nagagamit.
sa laging marami kaming pagkain dito, meron na akong cake slicer. Iba, meron na akong pangkuha ng noodles. Nakaganon.
Dahil
Meron
sobrang
akong
iba't iba yung mga
Iba-iba
guests,
yung
lahat.
feature namin
Yes.
dito eh.
Pero nakakatuwa kasi parang ang daming bakery shop, ang
Yeah.
daming, 'di ba? Pero you managed to break in the market
Yes.
of that
That's
one.
very competitive.
Di ba?
eh, di
Sobrang
ba?
competitive, Mamu. Tapos saka ang dami rin naman nung lockdown na parang ang inisip nila ay mag-bake din.
Correct.
Pero
correct.
lumutang yung Lemon Square.
Maraming mga naging
kasi-
baker.
Kasi nung nag-decide yung magkakapatid na palaguin nga yung business. Parang initially, tinatry na iwasan yung the two other giants, parang wag tapatan or what. Pero they weren't seeing the numbers. So they decided talaga kailangan magtayo talaga tayo sa Metro Manila. So, nung 2020, nagtayo sa Metro Manila, ayun, pumatok kasi nakita ng mga tao, wait, kakaiba
Bago.
ang mga cakes ng Lemon Square. Parang
Aesthetic.
di ba? Addressing the Gen Z, the tech-savvy, digital-savvy
Oo.
kids of today na naghahanap ng Instagrammable
Oo.
cakes na
Tsaka yung may
maipagmamalaki
pangalan
nila.
mo, di ba? Parang ito,
Correct.
di ba?
Oo.
Ayan, direct ko.
Yan.
We're
diba?
very proud of our lettering.
Sobrang ganda ng lettering.
Yes. Very cute.
Yes, thank you, MJ. Ako, ito, nagustuhan
Ayan.
ko talaga
Yan.
yan.
Sobra.
Bakit ba,
Ito,
MJ?
baka
Sobrang
may
cute
tikman
Yan.
ko to.
Sobrang
Kaya alam niyo
lovers.
wag
lovers.
tikman.
For pet lovers.
O dahil pang pets.
Ito naman to.
Pwede
Oh.
put pets
Oh,
and
cute.
the pet owners. The pet
Cute,
lovers
cute.
cake yun.
Iba-ibang design ba tong pet nyo? Halimbawa, iba itsura ng pet nila. May poodle,
for now, that's our regular.
Ito muna.
But pwede kayo magpa-customize. So kung gusto niyo
alam
naman,
yun na
pusa, pwede,
Mas mahal
by
yun.
special order.
Oo.
Mas mahal
ayan.
yung customized.
Ang custom cakes namin starts at 1,500. Pero that one, it starts at 375. O, diba?
Ito 400 plus, di ba?
Yeah, no, our minimalist cake, mura lang siya. Ay, yung maganda sa Lemon Square Bakery Treats is you get the aesthetics, pero
The
very
price
affordable
point,
price.
yun nga.
Yes.
So, ikaw na.
Okay.
Do the honors. Rika Platito na lang yung kulang. Tsaka Tinidor. Kasi magsa-slice na. Small slice lang, Madam Joy. Miss Joy, kasi iyan ang bagong kalulaunch lang. The Ruby Velvet Cake to mark the 40th anniversary of Lemon Square. The brand. Kasi bakery 2020 lang yan di ba? 40 years na yung the brand. Yan.
Sobrang galing ng positioning, no? Ito think hindi kayo nag-seed ng influencers, hindi kayo masyado nag-seed, di ba, ma'am?
Organic yan, organic.
Organic siya.
Pag nagustuhan, ipopost. Yes. Sige.
Oo,
Tuloy mo natin kwentuhan.
Yung
Natin
yung
ang
business
kwentuhan
learning natin dito, you addressed a need.
We address the need, for example, shout out to Ma'am Erica. Ma'am Erica, she's the head of innovations. Pagaling din kayo, she's also in recovery. She's a fur parent. So
Oh.
parang naisip niya, wait, maraming fur parents, it's a growing community, pero walang cake na ma-enjoy for parents. Eh, di ba mga
Tama.
fur parents,
Tsaka ang hard
mahilig
to reach ng mga pinapagawang cake for the pets.
yes.
Yeah, oo. Ito particularly for dogs. Ang
Yes,
galing
for
nung
dogs.
design, tas
Oh,
may
diba?
dila pa.
Oh.
Di ba?
So that's one of our best sellers talaga. Kasi tuwang-tuwa yung mga fur parents dyan. And
So,
they make
sumikat
their
rin
own
kayo dahil-
content. Oo.
Oo, sumikat rin kayo dahil dito.
Correct.
Yan.
Oo.
Siguro kung yung dog, pare-pareho itsura, baka pwedeng yung cookie ang iba.
Okay.
Yan ba kung diligaluan mo? Poodle or Rottweiler, whatever yung breed. Pwedeng yun yung nakatusok.
Pwede.
So, paano
Meron
to?
kami
Sugar
topper na Aspen. So, iba-iba yung
Iba-iba
toppers
yun.
namin.
So sugar-free po ba to? Or
Wala
kasi-
pa kaming sugar-free. That's something na
Inaaral
pag-aralan
niyo pa?
namin, inaaral pa namin.
Hindi,
But-
pero for the dogs, ano yung niya, yung ingredients niya na parang naging pet friendly. Talagang nyo.
ano naman, we use pet-friendly ingredients naman.
Oh, wow.
So,
Wait, tikman na natin yung
nagugustuhan din. Yes,
Yes.
ito na pala.
Ayun na.
Ayan na, ready na ako sa Red Velvet. Kasi syempre, badge of honor, isa ka sa nakatikim
diba? Oo,
product nila.
yes, love it.
Talaga kayo na lang
Mainit-init
binigyan?
pa.
Wow.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Love it. Ay, thank you. Thank you.
Ang sarap.
Of Lemon Square Bakery.
Love it, love it. Yan, magkano yung ganyan? Magkano yung price points niya?
Happy 40th.
Happy 40th.
440 dahil nga 40th.
Ayaw nga.
440 para madaling tandaan, di ba?
Yes, galing.
So,
Sarap.
Thank you
Oh,
so
diba?
much.
Magkano
for
po yan pag nilabas
celebrating?
440 siya. Ang SRP starts at 440 pag walk-in.
Oh, wow.
Yun. But we're also available via Grab and Food Panda.
Sarap kasi it's firm.
Sarap.
Hindi nadudurog. Some velvet cake nadudulog pag
Yes.
yan mo. So, hindi. Very
Oo,
firm. See?
Thank you.
Sarap.
Yes.
Lasa mo yung sour, ano yung tag dito? Yung cream
Yung sour
cheese.
ng cream cheese. Yes.
Yeah. Ang sarap niya.
Pinatikim din namin siya to some
Not too
customers and nagustuhan nila
Not too sweet.
prior to the launch. Di ba
Which is
tama
good.
lang yung
Yeah.
level of sweetness?
Kasi ano
Hindi nakakasawa.
Tama.
Paano nyo sinascout yung locations nyo kung company owned?
We make sure na yung locations it's a high traffic place. Tapos pinupuntahan siya ng aming target market ng mga kabataan. So it would be near schools, near churches, yung mga where people gravitate.
So, parang may coffee shop na rin kayo. You serve coffee na rin.
We have our first, so far we have one, the first of many. It's in Vicas, Camarin. That's our first bakery cafe. So,
Kamarin.
Camarin,
Caloocan?
Caloocan. Yes, Caloocan.
Kamusta po yung kamusta yung coffee prices nyo?
Our coffee prices start at 50 pesos for the hot at 12 ounce. Yes.
Perfect kasi siyang kasabay.
Correct, perfect.
Ng
yun.
cakes,
Wow.
di ba?
Correct.
Yan yun.
And of course, you're a mom already.
Yes, I'm
Grabe.
also a mom of a 16-year-old.
Wow!
Teenager na.
Yes.
Management din ba gusto niya? Marketing?
Ay, nako, ano siya? Visual arts ang kanyang leaning. So, pero alam niyo mga bata.
Pwede siya mag-design ng cakes.
Yes,
Yun
pwede.
Na,
Oo.
visual artist niya, di ba?
Yun ang gusto niyang mag-multimedia. So, I'm very proud of her. So, hi Alexa.
Hi, Alexa.
Yeah.
Alexa.
The money is there, Alexa.
Yeah, and yes, and she
Because
just
AI,
had
multimedia.
yes, congratulations. She just had her taekwondo promotion today.
Wow, artist
So,
na.
panoorin ko na lang.
Athlete pa.
Oo, 'di ba? Athlete and artist.
Artist,
Yun.
diba?
Yung pagka-athlete niya sa daddy niya nakuha, hindi sa akin.
Oh my
Wala akong
gosh.
athletic bone in my body.
Pero the gift of gab, nasa iyo.
Ay, thank
Oo.
you.
Correct.
Wait lang, nasa na siya? Nakakaano naman? Sana makaabot ka pa doon, Miss Joy.
Maghihintay siya, magvi-video naman daw siya for me. So, naintindihan niya, she's very understanding. She knows that mommy has work today. Yes, may commitment.
Oo. Tsaka ano talaga,
Yes.
go-getter, di ba?
Correct.
Yes.
Balik tayo dito.
sige,
may
balik
mga
tayo sa
sugar
Lemon
free ba
Square.
kayo para sa mga seniors, mga may diabetes? I'm sure there's a market for that.
Yes, but so that's something that we are seriously pinag-aaralan kasi we know that there's a demand, there's a diabetic community.
Kahit
But
yung maliliit lang, mini cakes.
Yes.
Ano yan.
Kasi, tawag mo dito, yun yung, di ba yung bakery treats ng Lemon Square, sumikat siya because of accessibility and
Correct.
quality.
yes.
Pag nilaunch nyo yun, sa inyo na rin mag-gravitate sa market na
Yeah,
parang
yeah.
wala pang top of mind na sugar-free.
Yes.
Oo.
Yeah.
Thank you for that suggestion.
Yeah.
So pag-aaralan niya ng innovations team namin. I'm sure pag pinapakinggan nito, nagna-notes na sila.
Diba?
Oo, kasi feeling ko kasi, syempre sa R&D, chine-check nila kung kayang lumabas na ganyang kasarap. Diba?
Yes,
Hindi siguro kaya.
Kailangan ma-match kasi yung
Erythritol.
sarap eh.
Yun yung
Oo.
gamit nila, monk fruit, erythritol, stevia.
Stevia.
Yes.
Yung tatlo,
stevia.
diba? Yun yung usually for sugar-free.
Yeah, para wala nang ma-FOMO na may
Oo.
diabetic, di ba?
Sabi
Yes.
ko nga kasi
Pwede
yung
na
kapatid
sila.
ni Oscar, pag umu-order ako, gustong dumukot.
Diba?
Hindi na pinapayagan.
Parang left out na yung mga bawal sa
Oo,
cake.
sarap
Pero kung
naman
may
ang cake nyo.
sugar-free or good sugar, I'm sure they're willing to pay a little bit more.
Sige,
At
pag-aral.
least they can
Yeah.
eat.
Oo. Pero kailangan ma-match pa rin yung
Correct.
sarap.
O, yun nga eh. Yun talaga yun.
Yung tamis
Yeah.
kasi yung nagpapasarap.
Yeah.
eh.
Oo,
Pero,
Ako nakatikim na ako ng isang stevia cake gawa ng friend ko. Hindi niya binibenta, hindi siya businessman.
Okay.
Masarap yung stevia. Yung iba mapait, may mase.
Oo, talaga.
Yung ibang sugar alternative. Kasi nga, diabetic din siya.
Or parang
So,
yung iba,
tinry niya
ako
stevia,
naman,
sarap.
Yung
Sarap.
iba ko natitikman na sugar-free, medyo lasang cream lang.
Oo, iba
hindi-
mapait, may aftertaste.
Oh.
Oo.
Okay.
Pero try nyo. Mag-try kayo.
Sige,
Monk
we'll
fruit,
try that.
stevia.
And the erythritol.
Yan ang
Okay.
di ko pa alam.
Oo,
Yung
pero
thank you.
sobrang ko. But where do you see Lemon Square Bakery Treats going?
We will continue to expand and of course continue to innovate. For example, yung ube vanilla cake.
Sobrang
So isa
ganda.
yan sa innovations namin. We popularized the bouquet cake kasi na-realize namin the Super Bowl kasi of occasions would be Mother's Day and
Talaga?
Valentine's. So yung market, nakita namin, mag-i-invest pa sila sa 1,000 for a bouquet, tapos cake. So minsan mamimili sila, ano ba, cake or
Bouquet.
cake. So ngayon, ayan, may bouquet.
Tama.
Oh,
bouquet.
bouquet cake.
Galing, bouquet.
So,
I love it. I love it. Bouquet.
yes,
Galing,
here's a
galing.
bouquet.
So may bouquet na, may cake pa.
Correct.
Oo.
O, di ba? 2 in 1.
Galing.
So, continuing to innovate, that's really our main thrust. Kasi that separated us. That created a differentiation from us. And we were able to revitalize the
Before,
aging bake shop industry with our
grabe yung customized
innovations.
cake starts at 1.5, di ba?
Yes,
Talagang,
correct.
talagang niyakap nyo na yung buong market, di ba?
Correct. And also the
before
pet lovers.
this, you were just, focused on the packaged cakes.
Yes, yung the cheese
yeah.
cupcakes,
Diyan ka
the
nagsimula.
inipit. Yes, dito kami nagsimula.
Talaga.
So, yun. And then, nung meron ng enough resources dahil binuhay kami nitong packaged cakes, then, yung dream na nasa thesis ni Ma'am Nina ay natupad na nung 2020 because yun, we had enough resources na. The company had enough resources.
Congratulations.
Yes.
O ito, hindi natin itong
Ayun,
caramel ba
that's
to?
one of
Yan
our
yung
best
flagship.
sellers.
Yan yung talagang ino-order ko. Kailangan mo matik.
Diba?
Natikman mo na
So,
ba?
ano siya? Hindi pa. Ano
Ako,
siya?
kailangan mong tikman.
Yeah,
Mamu.
that's
This
for
is
your
the-
take out,
Oh, thank you.
Mamu.
Nakalagay naman
Yes.
yata, hindi, wala palang name ko dyan. Nandito yung name ko.
Yeah, wait,
Pero what
pero-
is it?
Yeah, para tigisa kayo ng
Oo,
cara.
kailangan mo tikman
May
yan.
I have
Yes.
the
Ay,
knife?
yeah, isa pa.
Oh,
Yes,
what is it?
oo.
Caramel.
Yeah,
Caramel
oo,
or
it's
dulce de leche. Ano siya?
Caramel siya. Tapos
Yes.
yun, ang linis ng lasa. Tapos,
Sa
hindi siya super tamis.
Yes,
Yun
yun,
nga.
yung
Yun ang
maganda.
concern
Hindi
ko
siya
talaga
super
kasi.
tamis.
Oo.
Diabetic type.
Kaya yung mga diabetic type, napapakain din kasi nga hindi siya sobrang tamis. Tama lang.
Yan.
Ayan, Mamu. I-judge mo na.
Yes.
Yan, malit lang. Tikim-tikim lang ako pwede.
Sorry.
Gotta take
Moment of
care.
truth.
Moment of
Yes.
truth. Ito, tikman mo na.
Oo, yun nga yung in-order
Ay,
yan.
ito lagi.
Nagpakita
Oo.
ng resibo.
O, resibo. Iba-ibang taon.
MJ.
Iba-ibang
Iba-ibang
taon.
taon. May minimalist cake, may cara
Oo.
cake. Natuwa
Ah.
naman kami.
Masarap, tsaka malambot yung tinapay, di ba?
Correct.
Oo,
Diba?
Hindi masyado matamis.
Correct, di ba, Mamu?
Panalo.
Thank
Natakot
you.
pala si Mamu, nakikita ko na yung mukha niya. Para kanina pa ako kumakain, ha?
Dapat talaga controlled eh.
Oo,
Kasi
oo.
really want to take care. Kaya ako tikim lang ako. Kasi
Tikim lang.
since pandemic ako nagkaroon ng type 2 eh. So it's lifestyle, di ba?
Oo,
That's why
it's
okay na sa akin isang kutsara,
Oo.
then stop na.
Yes.
Parang di ma-FOMO.
Oo.
Oh, pero ang sarap, di ba?
Sarap.
Congrats.
Thank you. So,
Congrats.
hindi lang siya maganda, masarap pa. Because we really want to make
Very
moments, big moments, small moments,
Oo,
everyday
lasa-
moments. We want it more beautiful talaga for our customers.
Tapos ang lambot nung tinapay sa loob, parang pound
Malambot.
cake.
Correct.
Sarap. Very light. Parang,
Very,
ano to, chiffon ba to?
Chiffon.
Chiffon.
Yes.
Ang galing.
Thank
Panalo.
you.
Thank
Thank
you so
you. Tamang
much.
tamis.
Miss Joy,
Salamat
paano ba
naman.
kami o-order? Tsaka paano kami papakustomize? Kasi alam ko lang paano orderin eh. Parang via the apps. Pero, like, where can we walk in? Where can we see the branches?
Yes. For now, Lemon Square Bakery Treats is available. We have 111 branches for now in Luzon. So we
Luzon
have
pa lang, ha?
NCR and South Luzon, North Luzon for now. So they can just walk in our Facebook page naman. We always put a link para when you click it, makikita nyo kung anong branch ang malapit sa inyo. And then you can also order them via GrabFood and Food Panda.
Ayun. So wala
Yun.
pang Cebu. And
Wala pa,
or
but
Visayas, Mindanao. You're
Not
open to
yet.
franchisees ba? Or hindi? Never.
For now, hindi
Lahat
pa.
company-owned, no?
Company-owned,
Galing.
100%. Yun.
100% company-owned. Galing. Baka someday nasa Amerika na kayo. Di ako
Why
magtataka.
not? Diba?
Pero may
Kasi
Lemon Square sa
la-
grocery sa States.
Yung ano pa lang.
Oo,
yung
kasi
recap.
nostalgia eh.
Yung package
diba?
cakes meron na.
Oo, this
Oo.
one.
Nakita ko may nagbebenta.
Wow. Meron
Yeah.
nag-export.
Yes.
Or kayo rin.
Kami rin yun.
Ah, kayo,
It's the same
sila rin,
company.
O kayo rin yun.
Yes, oo.
Akala ko kasi diba minsan
Akala
yung
ko
iba,
sa mga
parang
dalada-
small scale.
Oo.
Yeah, oo.
Binibili
Nire-resell.
ng per
Kala ko may
Oo.
resellers
We have
kayo.
partners. Yeah, we have
Oh.
distributors.
Hello.
Ang
Okay,
galing.
thank you so much. And thank you, Joy,
Thank
for
you.
this.
Yeah,
Thank
enjoy your
you.
Lemon Square Bakery Treats Cakes. And by the way, meron din kaming mga pastries.
Oo. Ay,
So,
ay,
ensaymada,
Kompleto, the works.
savory buns,
lahat ng Pinoy
Mamon,
favorites.
yes, pambaon for everyone.
Thank you.
Basta
Thank
copy
you
na.
so
Sobrang
much.
sarap.
Yes.
Thank you.
We also
Kasi di pa ako
have
nakaka-sharon.
pasalubong para sa mga kids nyo and
Correct,
hobbies.
Thank you so much, Miss Joy Lohico, ang
Yes.
at ang marketing ng Lemon Square Bakery Treats.
And to your GM, si Adele na na-meet namin kanina.
Yes, and si Sir Adele kanina.
ayan.
Thank you for having us and featuring our Lemon Square Bakery.
Sobrang
Sobrang saya ko.
Yes.
Ready na nga ako eh. Ito na nga.
Ayan.
Pati,
Pati,
Naka-ready na ako.
pati eco bag para sa inyo,
Oo.
para i-share ng
Share
mga
na ako.
cakes. Yes.
I love it.
Oo.
Idol.
Pang-share talaga yan, para kaya dinala namin.
Oo, I love you,
Yes.
Mamu, talaga.
Oo.
Alam mo, dahil sa'yo, promise, Mamu, sobrang na-inspire ako. Like, hindi, kasi totoo naman eh, di ba? Honestly, mga inay, matututo kayo rito, it's a yes or it's a no. Di ba? So, just do
Sa
it.
dami na naghihirap ngayon, dapat
Oo.
walang natatapon na pagkain kahit isang bottle ng bigas pa yan.
Tama.
Oo, di ba? So, go get it. Di ba?
Yes.
Totoo. Kaya na nasabi na ibo, grabe naman to, kumakasharon. Kasi, di ba, kaysa naman matapon lang. Tsaka hindi
Tsaka
lang
it's
naman,
really for
hindi lang
your
para sa
share.
atin yan, it's
For
really for sharing.
sharing.
Lalo
Yes.
na, I told you, di ba, diabetes.
Yes.
So, it's really
You
for
love
sharing. The
sharing.
more
You love
people
sharing.
will
That's
be
true.
happy.
That's true.
Yes.
Kasiyahin ng mga tao.
Yes.
Correct. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so
Thank you
much.
for
Thank
having
you sa team. Nandito rin po
us.
yung team ng Lemon
Shout
Square.
out.
Thank you, guys.
Ayan.
O, paano,
Thank you.